Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate items in botw Zelda. Firstly, set up your game stat. Make sure you are in one of the required game states of the duplication trick. Just hold every item you want to duplicate. Then while holding the item, press Y and add at the same time. The duplicated items should now appear on the ground. If they are only duplicating a single unique material, there is no risk of losing items, because duplicating multiple materials carries a small risk of the loss if the inputs aren't perfect. Press Y and plus on the same frame or just press Y on this one frame after plus for reliable duplication. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.